Hey everyone, welcome back to Liz Mimic DIY. In today's video, we are putting together some IKEA DIYs. I love going to IKEA and seeing the things they have on hand. If you're not able to get to an IKEA, I will link below in the description box where you can find these things online. IKEA has a whole section that has really inexpensive shelving. So for this first project, I just picked up some of their wood shelving pieces. I grabbed two of them. They're $5 each. And then they also have these really inexpensive white boards. I grabbed two of them and they're $2.50 each. To install these boards, you just want to measure your wall and center up your boards. And then we drill holes and screw the shelf supports to the wall. And then screw the shelves on top. Now to decorate my shelves, I grabbed some things from IKEA. I picked up some of these clear canisters that they have in the kitchen section. And I decided I wanted to dress them up a bit. So I took some black spray paint and just pulled the lids off of the canisters. And I'm just going to spray 2 coats of black spray paint on the top of the lids. And I feel like that really helps to dress them up a bit. You could always do them white. I think you could add these to your kitchen, but these are actually going in a bathroom. Next, I'm gonna fill my containers with cotton pads and cotton balls and just different bathroom items. And then I'll finish decorating the rest of my shelf. Now, if you want to see the full room that I made over these shelves in, I will link it down in the description box below. But here's a look at how my shelf turned out from IKEA. When I was at IKEA, I saw the most amazing light fixture, and I wasn't even really in the market for a light fixture, but I knew that I had to have it. And it was this really cool wooden basket, and the price was right. It was $39.99. They also have a smaller version that is $19.99, but I decided to go with the bigger one, and I thought, wouldn't this be great over my kitchen table? If you've never bought a light fixture from IKEA, it's actually really simple. They have 2 different kinds of light kits that you can choose from. They have a light kit where you actually wire it into the wall, and that's the one that I'm gonna be going with. But if you don't want that, you can get their light kit where you plug it into a wall. So what you would do is just hang it up and maybe put a hook at the top and then have the cord go down your wall, and you could just plug it into your outlet. So if you're not wanting to wire it up, you could definitely do it with the plug-in kit. My husband is really good with wiring and electrical stuff, so I had him install it over our kitchen table. IKEA also sells some of these larger light fixtures. They're $5 a piece, they're LED. I went ahead and grabbed it because I thought since there was only one light in there, I wanted it to be big and bright. So here's a before and after of what my light looked like before and after. Okay, you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments if you like this new light, and if you love IKEA as much as me, make sure to give me a thumbs up because it helps to support my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you're subscribed, and if you missed our last DIY, I'll link it here for you, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.